Hi guys, let's talk about the discover phase of design thinking. This is where we get to channel our inner detectives and figure out what's going on in the minds of our users. But first things first, we need to identify a problem. And if you're anything like me, you've got a lot of problems to solve. Like, how do I stop eating a lot of cheese balls in one sitting? Or how can I get money to me while lying down on my bed? But let's just focus on something that we can actually solve. So for the purpose of this course, let's say we are building a product that helps people hire for menial jobs, like cleaners, waitresses, and so on. Our goal is to make this process as easy and convenient for both job seekers and those looking to hire them. But first, we need to identify the problem that these people are currently facing. We start by talking to our users because it's very important. These are people you're building for. You discover that many people are frustrated with the process of finding an hired for this type of jobs. They often have trouble finding reliable workers, and the process can be time consuming and expensive. On the other side of things, job seekers often struggle to find work in this field and may not be able to build up good reputation due to lack of experiences or references. But why is this such a big problem? Why can't people find jobs and work out like they always have? Well, it turns out that the root cause of this problem is that the process is outdated and inefficient. There's no platform for people to find this kind of workers, and there's lack of transparency and trust, and it makes it difficult to build relationship between employers and job seekers. So now that we've identified the root cause of our problem by talking to our users, we can now start to brainstorm ideas and solutions on how to meet the needs of these people. We can decide to create a platform that allows for job seekers to meet employers. We can also include something that allows employers to pay job seekers, and maybe a rating system for employers to be able to rate people that work for them. And that is how you identify a problem. By talking to your users, understanding their pain points and needs, getting to the root cause of their frustration, you can then create solutions that truly meet their needs. So my fellow detective, you can start by solving some of the problems I'm providing for you in the next quiz.